Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make emoji transparent in Capcut. So if you want to add an emoji to your video and Capcut but you want to make it transparent, I'm gonna show you how you can do that. So first, click on add tags, click on tags and then add tags, and here just type in the emoji that you want to add. For example, I want to add this emoji right here, and then I'm going to make it big so that you can see it. Okay, so I will go like this, and then if you want to make it transparent, just click on the emoji and then click on style at the bottom, and here go to style again, and then here at the bottom just scroll down, you'll find opacity. Just swipe it to the left to make it transparent, so it will go like this. So you can adjust it to your liking. So for example, I want to just set it into 30 like this, and then click on a check icon when you're done, and here is the transparent emoji that you add. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. Bye.